Madam C, and welcome to A Services. We are on our way to Surrey Car Meet, and this video is brought to you by carhuddle.com, the free online car show directory. And today's car show will be full of cars a bit like this. We've got Georgina's Focus RS, we've got my 350Z, and RBD Photography's R33 Skyline, and we're going to do a small convoy to Buckmore Park to join in all the fun. So let's get on with it.
Okay.
Unlike last time, we are not late, so there's no queue to get in, which is fantastic. So I have parked up, and either every car has start-stop, yeah, that'll start-stop, or every car here is very quiet because I can't hear any cars from the traffic, even this 5-litre V8 Mustang that's rolling by. But hopefully there will be more to see, so let's have a look at what has turned up. The beauty of this Surrey Car Meet is you can have anything from a massive Hummer to a small TVR Tuscan to a Caterham 7. Wait a minute, that Hummer I mentioned is not a normal Hummer, it's got 6 wheels because 4 is not enough? It's not big enough? I need to step back. There we go. It's not often that you get number plates at eye level. 9 miles per gallon, I'm not surprised with 6 wheels and all that weight. There is a Huracan Performante with lovely gold wheels next to this Mercedes that you might remember from the last meet. It is outrageous with wide arches and a massive spoiler on the back. 600 LT with a bit of orange pinstriping, another Huracan Performante, and a 2005 Forza GT. And over here we have an Ultima Spider with the GTR's wing. Looking lovely with a roll bar as well. And next to this Mercedes we've got this S2000 in a lovely metallic bronze colour. He's put his boot up to make it look like more of a spoiler, I don't know, or to blend in the spoiler. To show the Jack Daniels air ride. That is ridiculously clean. And the colour looks bronze in some lights and purple in other lights. Oh, the Ford GT's leaving and the event hasn't really started yet. That's a shame. And a throaty sounding R32 is leaving as well. And over here we have one of my favourite cars. I would love to own one of these. This is a Dodge Viper GTS. And if one day I could add this to my stable of cars next to the Cobra, 2 Snakes, that would be an amazing machine to have. Huge 8-litre V10 engine and beautiful styling. I would love to have one of these. Now we have seen a majority of the cars, but some of them are leaving already because it's such a nice day. They're probably off to the pub, so we're going to capture some of the departures of the show. BMW, isn't it? Classic Mustang. Oh look, friends! Oh hi, how are you doing? Nice Mark II. Oh, he's doing a proper good one up there. Look at that. Love it. Doing classic C63 things. Okay. It's flames. impressive. We have a race. Oh my god! They almost steered into each other. I don't know if the Mondeo took that or not. So that is it for most of the cars leaving. We've got a lovely R32 GTR here. Sorry about the sun shadow lighting and the bad focusing. I couldn't really help that there were trees there and the sun's out. But we are going to head out to the pub. There's a lovely slammed Polo here that's been wrapped and it's got some lines on the bonnet. In my 350Z, the R33 and the Focus RS. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Follow me on Instagram for weekly highlights of all these kind of meets. But for now, thanks for watching.